What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's the Nabs and Zabs project, and today we're showing you how to remove a door card of a Honda Jazz. This is a 2002 plate. So the first thing that you need to do is remove this panel. 3 Phillips screws over here and 1 Phillips screw over here. And just like that, you got that removed. Screws one over here, one over there, and one should be in here. So from the top over here, move this blue tab away, and then this should come up. Just like that. So we get a stronger ply tool. Apply the door card like that. You got 2 plugs over here. Remove them out of the way. Push that in and pull your loom out of the way. And once you remove the loom, the door card should come out, and that's how you remove a door card of a Honda Jazz 2002 plate. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next one.